Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, August 16th. And hey, my internet's still not doing so good, but I did figure out what the problem was. My access point got hit by lightning. We had a big lightning storm here in Tennessee, and yep, that's it. It was a casualty of the lightning. So I'm working on getting that set back up. That being said, hope you're having a great day. Today is Wednesday. Let's take a look at the news. At 8:30, we had building permits that came out that were just slightly less than expected. Building permits on one side, as an ex-contractor, I can tell you that permits, they're going to rise and fall, and it doesn't have any rhyme or reason. Somebody got delayed by a week, whatever. Housing starts, same scenario. These two numbers are very, very not reliable because they can just be, so many things can affect them. So it's really not too much to worry about. As long as they're in the ballpark, it is good. 9:15, we have industrial production month over month, capacity utilization. Also good numbers. Crude oil inventory at 10:30, and we have FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. Now, this is meeting minutes, which means it's already happened, but sometimes it sheds light on what is going on in the future that we maybe did not know. So that's why it is a red item. So be aware that those meeting minutes can have stuff in there that sometimes can catch the market off guard. So those are important to remember at 2 o'clock. Looking at the daily chart here, you see we had an ugly day yesterday. We're gapping down slightly this morning. This is just looking like it's just making another movement down. Where is support? Support's at the red line, 44.12. Where could we go if we bounce? If we bounce, we'll probably retest these highs right in here, which is around 44.93. Why are we going down? Well, a lot have been talking about problems in China, and the China problems will eventually come back and hurt us, or could potentially hurt us. That being said, Russia just raised interest rates by 4% or something like that. Ridiculous. Went from 8.5, I guess 3.5, 8.5 to 12%. Again, these are not good things worldwide to be happening. So China, Russia, all having some serious issues will affect the U.S. economy to some degree. I do think we are potentially going to have a recession, maybe first quarter of next year. We'll have to wait and see if that pans out. This is looking like a head and shoulders, where this is the shoulder, this is the head, and maybe we're going to make another shoulder over here. We'll see what happens, but that's the pattern that I see at the moment. Looking at the inventory was correlated, down market, down inventory, all good. However, I will have to say that the inventory tried really, really hard. So there was a lot of buyers coming in near the end of the day, until the very end of the day, when it just sort of collapsed there. But you can see price action down the whole time. And actually, when the inventory started rising was when the market opened, and it rose all day long until very end of the day. So even though it is correlated, you can see here that there might have been some bottom fishing going on here. And again, I've said this before, this certainly looks like retail action. Doesn't look like the big boys, it looks like retail action, which means that this is the weak hands coming in. And if we go down farther, we could really see some sell-off as those people panic out. Looking at the intraday for support and resistance, the overnight range was about 20 points, which is about normal. Looking for resistance on the top side, we have 44.71. Some around, I'm going to go with 44.87, and always around the whole number 4,500 and 45.07. Support, we got support at 44.36. Some at 44, I'm going to call that 44.16. 4,400, of course, the whole number, and that's your support and resistance levels. Stock Trader's Almanac for today, August 16th, is 61.9. 61.9 from the Stock Trader's Almanac. That is a 11.9 positive bias to the upside on a historical basis. We'll have to see how that pans out. But that is from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you guys have a great day. Remember to comment, like, and of course, subscribe. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.